I am listening to cute funny bird. Oh, nice noises in nature. Oh, listening nature bird sounds and noises is good for your self-healing, mental relaxation, as well as the happiness. Oh, wow. Listen to it, friends. So peaceful, serene, funny and relaxing bird sounds and noises. Nature is blessed with cute, funny birds, noises, chirping sounds. I'm sure there will be some birds' nest in this large and expanded nature tree. Enjoy listening nature bird sounds and noises for your self-healing practice and happiness. Love you all.